Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm your guy Ponyazo. If it's your first time here, please remember to subscribe and click the bell icon down below to enable notifications. So guys, in this video today, I'll be showing you the easiest way on how to turn off Windows Defender and when using the Windows 10. So Windows Defender, this is an inbuilt antivirus. This is antivirus protection that is inbuilt within the Windows 10. So I'm showing you on how to deactivate the Windows Defender. So sometimes you may be installing some softwares, or even when you want to activate your system, and then you're prompted that you should deactivate any virus, the antivirus protection in your system. So in this video, I'm showing you on how to deactivate the Windows 10 Windows Defender. The Windows 10, the first thing you have to do, you have to access the settings of the Windows Defender. Then from that point you can turn on the real-time protection. Even have the cloud protection, you can even turn off, and the backup. So you turn off and then you'll be free to install the softwares. Even when activating the Microsoft Office, even the Windows 10 or in any type of Windows that you're having, you must deactivate all the antivirus protection, so the antivirus softwares, because they may tamper with the setup of that file that you want to install. So proceed, press the Windows button, type Windows Defender or even just Defender, then click on the Windows Defender settings. At that point, then proceed. So real-time protection. So the Windows Defender real-time protection, have the Windows Defender, have the real-time protection, have cloud-based protection, and sample at submission. So what you're going to do is just turn off all of them, and we proceed. So you just turn off the first one. So virus and spyware definition code to be updated. So you just turn off. So that's the easiest way of turning off the real-time protection. And turning off the Windows Defender isn't a hard task. It depends the type of operating system that you have in. At some point, you may having some difficulties to deactivate the Windows Defender. So if you're having the challenges to deactivate the Windows Defender, just comment down below in the comment section and let me know the type of operating system that you're using, if Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. Even the type of bits, maybe 32-bit or 64-bit. So you press the Windows button and type Windows Defender, then turning off Windows Defender. This will allow you to proceed with the activation of the Windows Defender, activation of the Microsoft Office, activation of other softwares, and even the installation of other softwares. You may encounter the challenges, maybe installing some softwares, then you're prompted that to turn off any antivirus protection. So you have to start with the Windows Defender. If you're using Windows 10, Windows 8 and 8.1, Windows 7 doesn't have the Windows Defender. So you turn off and then you proceed. So you have turned off the real-time protection. So you now turn off the cloud-based protection and turn off the sample submission. So you turn off. So some other computers that you'll be using, when you turn it off, then the dialog box will appear, will pop out the screen and ask you if you are sure you want to turn it off. Then you click on yes. So in this video is specifically of turning off the Windows Defender, so you click on yes. Don't ignore that dialog box. So as you're proceeding, I've already turned off the Windows Defender. If you're having any other software that you want, the antivirus protection that you want to turn off, you can easily turn off from that point and proceed. So Windows real-time protection is now off. So guys, if you have any questions about the Windows Defender, and even deactivating and activating Microsoft Office, even Windows, just comment down below in the comment section and I'll give you a quick response. So guys, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, click the bell icon down below to enable notifications, and share this video with friends. Guys, let me know the challenges that you're facing when using the Windows 10 and any other operating system. I'm specifically majoring on Windows operating system. So guys, thanks for watching.